Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Dell Inspiron 7506 2-in-1 laptop. I'm going to show you how to open it up to access and replace your Wi-Fi card. So first thing you want to do, guys, shut the computer off, make sure it's powered down correctly and unplugged from your charger. We're going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. You have several bottom case screws here. You have these 4 along this edge, these 3 here, and then 1 on either side near the middle. Now, if memory serves, guys, these 4 screws here, they have washers inside of them, so they're not going to actually come out of the computer, just so you know, so you're not wasting time taking those out. After you get the screws out, guys, you're going to take a small, flat plastic pry tool. I prefer plastic because metal tends to scratch the case a little bit more, but you're going to take your pry tool and go across the seam all the way around, pry off your bottom case from your computer. A little at a time, be firm, but be careful. Don't put the pry tool in too far. You could damage some components inside. So just keep it on the edge, pry it open. Once you get that pried off, guys, you're going to notice one thing, just an FYI. This area in your bottom case right here is going to feel like there's some resistance there taking this bottom case off, like you missed a screw, which there obviously isn't a screw there, as you can see. What that is it's this clip right here that actually clips down to your computer to hold the bottom case on. So you can force it off, or if you bend the bottom case out a little bit, if you put your thumbs near the center, and if you bend the outer edges up a little bit, that'll open these clips and the bottom case can come off easier. After you get the bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as another side point, guys, when I work on a computer, especially if I'm going deep into it, I have it sitting on an anti-static pad. Either that or I wear an anti-static bracelet. But those are great ideas to avoid damaging your computer when working on the inside of it. If you need any suggestions for tools or supplies, check out the link above. I'll also have it below in the description. It'll give you some suggestions on tools and supplies that I used on this computer. Another thing I do before working on a computer is I'll unplug my battery or I'll remove it. If you want to remove your battery, there's these 2 screws here on the right, this one in the center, and these 2 on the left. After you remove those, you can unplug it from here. Underneath this black flap, there'll be a white plug that plugs into the motherboard. You can grip it from either side with your fingernails or with a pry tool, and you can pull that down and unplug it from the motherboard. You can also unplug the battery from here. That just snaps straight up out of the computer. That's how you would undo that. But either way, I would unplug the battery before working on it. Okay, so now, guys, your Wi-Fi card is right here, right in the center of the computer above the battery. It's held in by a single screw right here. And there's a metal plate right there that's holding the Wi-Fi card down and that's protecting where the antenna wires snap in. So when you undo this screw, you'll be able to remove this metal guard. And then these Wi-Fi cables, the black and the white one, they snap onto the Wi-Fi card here. And those just pull straight up out of the laptop. You unsnap them from the Wi-Fi card, and then the Wi-Fi card pulls out of this port. So that's how you would access your Wi-Fi card on a Dell Inspiron 7506. If you guys are looking for a replacement Wi-Fi card or any other component in this model computer, an Inspiron 7506, there'll be a link below that'll take you to a list of replacement components for this computer. Okay, guys, so that's the video. I hope it was helpful in getting into your computer and finding the component you were looking for. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. I do try to keep those updated over time. If you do need to leave me a question, feel free. I try to answer those at least a couple times a day. Please remember to like and share if this video was helpful, if you think it could help someone else, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoy little quick tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.